I'm Sean Magaki from General Dynamics Mission Systems, specifically the Cyber Systems Group. You may know us at Cyber Systems from the TAClane, Sectera, Viper, Data at Rest, or other high-assurance products we create. Well, we also have a robust cross-domain, or CDS, data sharing and platform security suite of products. At the enterprise and cloud level, we have TrueMLS and our Trusted Network Environment line of capability we use to help protect the critical mission of the U.S. Battlefield Information Collection and Exploitation Systems Extended, or US SPICES-X. For Transfer CDS, which enable movement of data from one security enclave to another, we have CrossingGuard XD software, as well as Tactus line of products, which protects a wide range of ground, air, and sea products. I'll be talking more about Tactus in a few moments. We also have the Access CDS solutions, which give our operators the ability to see data from multiple enclaves on the same screen without actually changing the classification of any of that data, at both the tactical and enterprise levels, with Trusted Embedded Environment and Trusted Virtual Environment. And finally, we have Pitbull Multi-Level OS for enterprise systems and our OKL4 line of microvisors to protect embedded systems. But because this is a future technology symposium, I really wanted to share with you some of the recent successes we've had in cross-domain platform research and development. One of our major focus areas a couple of years ago was anti-steganography measures for full-motion video to enable it to be securely moved between security domains. We developed an approach to filter every single byte of every pixel of every frame of multiple simultaneous streams of high-definition full-motion video to sanitize any embedded nefarious data. This capability was successfully analyzed by the National Cross-Domain Strategy and Management Office, or NCDSMO, and is part of all of our Tactus systems today. More recently, our priority has been improving the security, speed, and efficiency of transfer CDSs. We've been working closely with the NCDSMO in helping to protect our national security networks while safely bringing in data from high-threat sources. Data that comes from the internet or NIPRNet or any network where the cyber hygiene is unknown or insufficient needs to be treated carefully before enabling it to cross over into our national security networks, as the protection of the integrity of those networks is critical. A raise-the-bar approved bidirectional connection to a high-threat network, or HTN, requires multiple different CDSs, data diodes in each direction, and a lot of accreditation, configuration, and management. But a single device can connect bidirectionally to an HTN if it incorporates hardware filtering, in addition to the redundant, always invoked, independent, and non-bypassable filtering typical of a transfer CDS. So what does that even mean? Well, we've been investing in making the hardware filtering a reality for the variety of different data types. Our next version of Tactus will enable full-motion video, structured binary or textual data, extensible markup language, Link16, variable message format, Google Protobuf, data distribution system, and more than a dozen other structured data formats and protocols to be transferred bidirectionally between US national security networks and an HTN. We're really excited about this capability, and it's going to be great for tactical systems that need to make this connection in its initial form factor here. And we know it'll be key to other use cases as well as we continue to evolve this capability. And that's where we'd like to hear from you. We make significant investments in research and development every year, and we choose the targets of that investment based on feedback from communities like yourselves that are executing the strategies and missions that need to be performed. Recently, we've been focused on hardware filtering because we heard it was going to be the most impactful solution for our user communities. Next, we're planning to invest in researching things like cloud-based CDS technologies, MLS networking using cryptographically bound labeling, and enterprise-level throughput, as well as combining some of our technologies like crypto, transfer CDS, access CDS, data at rest, and multi-level networking together to create size, weight, and power efficient capabilities. But this list isn't our priorities. It's what the operators are telling us. We decide what to tackle next based on conversations with the users of CDS throughout the DoD and IC. I have a passion for cross-domain technologies. Nothing makes my day more than to have a conversation about interesting use cases or pain points in current CDS implementations that could potentially be solved with the application of the right technology, particularly if it can influence our research priorities. Please send me a note or give me a call. Thanks very much for your time today. It's a pleasure to talk about future CDS capabilities with you. Have a great rest of the symposium.